Hello student, today we will start exercise 15.1. First in question 1 we have few blanks. Let's study. Complete the statement. The probability of event E and the probability of event not E means the probability of any event occurrence and probability of not event occurrence is equals to 1. So the first blank answer is 1. Second question. The probability of event that cannot happen is dash and such event is called dash. That event cannot have possible means we have a probability equals to 0. Such an event is called impossible event. Blank 3. The probability of event that in a certain to happen is dash and such an event is called dash. Third, the probability is 1 and that event is called sure event or a certain event. The probability, next question. The sum of the probability of all the elementary event of an experiment is 1. We know that the probability of event range from 0 to 1 means the event which do not occur, the probability is 0. Means if event is surely occur, then the probability is 1. So the range of probability is from 0 to 1. The probability of event is greater than or equals to dash and less than equals to dash. Means the probability is always greater than or equals to 0 and less than 1. The probability can't be greater than 1. Now see the question. Let's see the question number 2. Why is the tossing a coin considered to be fair way of deciding which team will get a ball at the beginning of the football? Means this event is unpredictable. Here we can toss with a coin, likely to be head or tail. Means we can't predict that any team get a first ball or a second team get a first ball. So we can say the result of tossing a coin is completely unpredictable. We can't say 100% surety that this team will get a ball and another team will not get a ball. Means we can say we can say it is unpredictable. Next question. Next question. Which of the following cannot be the probability of event? Option A 2 by 3, option B minus 1.5, option C 15%, option D 0.7. Which of cannot be the probability of event? We know that the negative number probability is not possible, so option B cancel out and 2 by 3 means we get around point in the, we get result in 0.63 or any number. 0.7 it is possible, 15% is possible, so minus 1.5 probability is not possible because we have a range of a probability 0 to 1. Next question. If the probability of event is 0.05, then what is the probability of not event? We know that the probability of event and probability of not event equals to 1. So probability of not event equals to 1 minus the probability of event. So 1 minus 0.05 result is 0.95. A bag contains a lemon flavored candies only. Mainly take out a one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability she takes out? First, an orange flavor candy. There is no orange color candy in a bag. So the probability of orange candy is 0. This because this event is impossible. Next, the lemon flavor candy. So the lemon flavor candy, the probability is 1 because there is no other color candy. So we have a lemon candy and the probability equals to 1. This is a very interesting question. it is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birth date is 0.992. And what is the probability of 2 students having a same birth date? Means the probability of event occurrence is 0.992. And the probability of event plus probability of not an event is equals to 1. So the probability of not an event is equals to 1 minus the probability of event. So we can say, right, 1 minus 0.992. So we get a probability equals to 0.008. Next question. A bag contains 3 red ball, 5 black ball, and a ball is drawn from a bag. What is the probability of drawing a red? There are total 3 red balls and 5 black balls. The total number of balls in the bag equals to 8. Out of 8 ball, we have to choose a 1 ball. First, the probability of getting a red ball. There are total 3 red balls and the total number of balls equals to 8. So, the probability of getting red ball equals to 3 by 8. Next, the probability of not a red ball. Then the bag contains 5 black balls, means not a red, means it's obviously it is black ball. So the probability of getting or not a red ball, we can say as getting a probability of black ball is 5 by 8. In this way, we can solve any question of a probability. Thank you.